Hey guys, Rocky again. Welcome back to a very quick video. I just wanted to show something I've picked up recently. Came very well packed in this lovely box with these lovely packing peanuts. So I remember when these were on sale in the shops, brand new. The whole set of them. This is a Batman Cheetah joystick. Yes, this is a joystick. Compatible with both, well, systems of the time, so Amiga, 664, Atari ST, Spectrum, Amstrad, etc, etc, etc. So, let's see if I can get them out of the box. So these usually now sell for selling money, but this one was up at a reasonable price, and the guy took a reasonable offer. Probably because he wasn't a game dealer, he was a toy dealer, so he got that. So Cheetah made a selection of these joysticks. If you recognise the base, you'll know what I'm talking about. So they're called character joysticks. I don't think this one's ever really been used, to be honest. Look at that, like the twist tie looks like it's new. So there's Batman. There's the Terminator 2 head. There is Terminator 2, Bart Simpson, and the Alien 3 figure. So this isn't microswitch, by the way. This is just, and that is the only fire button. I mean, no. Yes. So yeah, DC. Yeah, these were official licensed by DC. Oh, DC for this one, and then. So let's read the side of the box. Officially licensed product. Highly sensitive touch fire buttons. There's one. Full directional control. On table or in hand operation. Heavy duty base with strong suction cups. +2, +3 selector. 12-month warranty. Yeah. So I don't know why they made these. I think they're really cool. Yeah. It's a display piece. Nobody's playing games with this. Nobody. And now, of course, begs the question, well, if there's only 3 more... Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye out for the other ones on eBay, but I'm not paying selling money. I refuse to pay selling money for something that's literally just a shelf filler. There's no... I quite like the background. That's quite cool. So, and obviously it's been out of the box before, but just a little fun thing I thought I picked up. Makes a change from the usual garbage that I buy on eBay or sell on eBay. So yeah, I hope you liked this quick little video. Just had literally 5 minutes to make this. I'm thinking about reorganising in here again. As you can probably tell, there's a lot of junk behind me I'm trying to get rid of. It's with children, it's very hard to get time. Full-time job, children, wife. Anybody knows what I'm talking about will understand. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.